Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good. That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your first lesson of social studies in week number 23, right? So, in today's class, we will be starting with a new topic that is about our needs and wants of our body, right? Okay, let's start it with a small example. Let's say you are supposed to do a homework. Your teacher gives you a homework of literacy, right? Now at your home, what are the things that you will be needing to do that homework? So the things that you will be needing would be a notebook, a pencil, eraser, sharpener, right? So all of these things that you will be needing to do your homework are the needs of the homework, right? Similarly, let's say you want to travel somewhere, right? Now again, you will be needing something. What would be that? You need a vehicle for that, right? You need a luggage for that. So you also need money, you also need food. So all of these things that you need on your way are the needs of your body during that travel. Like we need different things for different types of tasks. Human body has certain needs, certain wants on daily basis, or which are the important parts of your body. In today's class, we will learn that what are those things that a human body need, right? Let's say we will start from air, right? You need or oxygen, you need oxygen to survive. You need water to drink. You cannot live without water for so long. You cannot live without food for so long, right? We will discuss that what is the maximum time that a human body can survive without water. Similarly, what is the maximum time that a human body can survive without food? Similarly, we will also discuss that what are the other things. These are the basic things that you need: air, water, and shelter, right? Now shelter means that you need a place to live, you need a house. Now this does not mean there is no specific definition of a house for that, that you need a big house, there should be this much rooms. No, there is a need of your body, but the basic need is that you just need a shelter on your head, right? So the shelter, then we will discuss what are other needs. So in other needs, there come the safety need, there come the cloth needs. You need clothes to cover your body, to save you from hot and cold weather, right? Similarly, you need safety. Safety needs are very important. Again, you want to be safe and secure in the place wherever you live. So we will discuss all of these things together, that what are the needs and wants of the body. Now these are the needs, right? You need them at every cost. That you need water on every basis, you need fresh air, you need food, right? Then there are some wants of the body. Now wants are that you want to have. Let's say I wanted to change the look of my room, right? I want to change the furniture, so that is a want of my body. It's not a need, that if the furniture would not change I cannot survive. No. So the needs, there are survival needs and then there are other needs. So the other needs, we basically give them a name as wants. We want to do that. Got it? Okay. So before moving toward the different survival needs, I'm going to share the screen with you, and there is this interesting video about the wants and needs of the body. So let's have a look at them. Show me a thumbs up if my screen is visible. Okay, great.
Dad, we need to eat now. There's a burger shop right there.
But Dad, I want to buy new shoes.
Now listen, kids. We need to eat because we are really hungry. And before I leave for office, we need to eat. You want your shoes. You will get your shoes, but more importantly, what we need is more important, is to eat. And what you want can be done later.
Now see, all the needs are something that you need for your survival, right? So this means that you will, when you, those things would not be available to you, you cannot survive, right? Let's say you need water, you need food, you need shelter, and then there comes the wants, and wants include all other things that your body wants, that your mood wants, that you want to change, right? So this is the difference between the needs and wants of the body. Got it? Okay. Now in the video they have talked about some of the main things, right? That again the similar point has been discussed, that needs are all the things that you need on the daily basis or without which you cannot survive. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen with you and we will discuss what are the basic survival needs of a human body. Okay, so like I have told you before as well, that the basic survival needs are total three. They are air, water, and shelter. And then there comes other as well. They are not the basic survival ones, but yes, we do need them uh, in our life, right? Okay. So is my screen visible? Okay, great. Now these are the 7 survival needs. And we can first we will discuss them, then we will arrange them according to the intensity. Okay. First come the air. You cannot live without air. It's the top most need, right? Then comes the water. You need water as well, right? A human body can live a short period of time without water. Then comes the food. The third is food. You need food to eat. You need food to work. If you will not have food, proper food, you will not be having any strength to do any type of work. And you know that we need to do work, any type of job for our survival as well, right? So that we can get money out of it, and so that we can fulfill all basic needs of clothes, of shelter. We have to pay the bills, we have to travel, we have to meet with people, we have to go to schools or universities, right? So all of these things are the daily routine works that we, in order to fulfill that, we need money, and for that we are supposed to do any work. Okay, what after that? Now all other things come after these three basic survival needs. Sleep is the human need of a human body. When you don't sleep, you are not active, right? So sleep is basically a type of rest to your body. There is a specific time after which your body start feeling lethargic. You cannot work anymore, you don't feel like energetic anymore. So that is why you need to sleep for a specific time, and a human body should sleep, a human should sleep at least 6 hours to have a better sleep and to have a better mechanism, all the body mechanism, so that they can work properly. Then comes the safety needs. Like I have told you that nowadays when we talk about the society, so people prefer to take homes or to live in the societies like Beria Town, DHA, Gulberg, all other. Why? Because they give you the safety needs. There are security guards all the time. They keep on roaming in your streets. There are specific gates, so nobody can, and this is not the case that everybody can enter a deep, right? But if we talk about the normal city life or normal village life, there is not that much security as compared to those societies. So that is why people prefer to live in the societies to have better security. Then comes the shelter. Now again, the shelter, what is mean by shelter is that you should have something, a roof on your head, right? In simple word, it means that there should be a roof on your head. Now there can be a small house, it can be a big house, it can be a single story, it can be a double story, whatever type of house, but there should be a shelter on your head. And then the last but not the least is clothing. Now clothing is another important need, that you are supposed to cover your body with clothes. Now in different seasons you need different types of clothes. In winter season, let's say, you need warm clothes so that you can cover your body and you can save yourself from the cold weather and you don't get sick out of it. Similarly, in the summer you need light clothes, right? Because you cannot wear the same winter clothes in summer. So this is also another need of the body. But if we talk about that, do all of people get all of these things? So the answer is no. You have seen people, you have seen beggars roaming around the streets on the roads. Even in winters, they are wearing light clothes of summer. This means that they do not have proper clothes, right? But still they are surviving. Now, this means what happened basically is that their body get adopted to that weather. When they continuously do not wear something which is warm, their body gets adopted to that, right? So similarly, if we talk about the other, that can they live without food and water? So there is a big no to that. No, they cannot live without food and water, but yes, they can without the warm clothes. Yes, they can manage somehow with the light clothes as well. Then if we talk about the shelter, if they do not have a proper house, yes, there is only some of the people, they sleep on the foot on the streets. So yes, they do manage. So all of them do not have a proper shelter as well. So when I say that there are three basic needs, those three are air, water, and food. All other things come after that, and the body can manage without it. But without these three, air, water, and food, you cannot manage to survive. Got it? Okay. Now like in the picture, we have a, you're supposed to create a similar picture on your notebooks. Make a human, make a person in the center, and then write all the needs. And you're supposed to add some other needs as well. According to you, what are the other needs that a human body need on daily basis? Okay, what are the other needs of human body? Like education, like health, right? So you are supposed to, like I have given you two example, you are supposed to add others as well. So do write them and then let me know what are the lists that you have created. Hurry up. Let me know when you are done. Yes, all of you are done. Okay, great. That was all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.